Hey there guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. This is ShockBox. My name's Ollie. And today, I don't even know. Two things turned up. And I thought we would check them out together. So, all I know is this says wireless charging receiver. Pamu? Pamu? Not entirely sure. And then this, which is just a cardboard box. So let's break into this and see what it is. By the way, if you want to see my latest video on the Soundcore Anchor Liberty 2 Pros, just did a video on that recently, so you should definitely go check that out if you're interested. It was an interesting pair of headphones, honestly. Right, what is this? Whoa, alright, okay. So we've got some more wireless earbuds, but these look pretty interesting. So these are called the Pamu, I think I'm saying that right, Uniques. So apparently this is a wireless pair of headphones that you can customize the case of. And they also look very compact, which is really compelling for me personally. I like a small pair of headphones, big fan of the AirPods. So you can kind of see it on the box there. Let's see, let's check it out. Pamu Unique. Pamu? Is that? I guess that's how you say. Then there is the case. So first things first, this is a charging case, which is kind of a unique design. I like it. So these sit in here like so. I like the design actually. The design's kind of cool. USB-C, that's a massive plus. Sit in there nicely, quite compact. Let's compare it to the Soundcore Anchor Pros that we recently did a video on. Not too dissimilar size. That was a light actually on the end there. That's pretty awesome. See what else in the box. Okay, so this is where things I think get interesting. So not bad packaging honestly. But this, I believe, if it's what I think it is. Okay, so we've got some earbuds. We've got a USB-C charge cable, which is great. Some documentation, which looks good. Yeah, different style of headphones and a little pouch. That's quite nice actually. So this is the customization. This is the unique thing about this headphone, if you like, or this device. So here I've got actually different designs for the case, which is kind of interesting concept idea. That's nice. I like that. This is very abstract art. So out of the three, I'd probably pick this one. These two are quite extreme, abstract sort of things, but you know, I like the fact that there's variety there. So the way this works is you just pop that on, I guess. No, this way, and they wrap around like this, and there you go. You know, I haven't listed the headphones yet, so I can't grade them, but maybe I've got this around the wrong way. There we go. That feels more secure. I think previously maybe I had it the wrong way, but there we go. That feels better. And then you wrap it around like that, and then it just sits on there like that. The only thing I would say is I wish the magnet for this bit was a little bit more sturdy. It only just like grabs it, but that's kind of an interesting look for a pair of headphones at least. That's kind of cool. And if you want to change out the design, you're gonna get some attention if you grab this. You put that on the side. Someone sat next to you is like, "What you got there? What is that?" Oh, it's my headphones. You know, they'd be like, "Wow, that's a bit different." It's even got like these grooves in here. This is leather, by the way, which feels lovely. You've got these grooves to like help it align, and then it closes up. I like this. Let's check out the other design. But this one doesn't stay on as much. Yeah, you can see it there, look. I haven't even heard the headphones yet, but I really wish the magnets were just 20% stronger. Because I feel like they come off a little bit too easily. I mean, maybe it gets better the more you use it, because these have obviously been laying flat. And then if you roll them, the magnets don't need to be so strong, I guess, after a while. But I really like the idea that they're interchangeable. Like, that's a neat touch. Not many headphone cases you can customize like that. Yeah, it's kind of an interesting design. I like that. It's unique. So what's in this little white box then? Oh, okay. This is interesting. So this goes on the bottom of there. That's okay. So you can charge it just like that. That's wireless charge mat. You're charging your headphones. You just pop them down. I like. Honestly, that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's listen to the headphones. Let's see if they're any good. I don't know how much these are actually, so I can't tell you if they're a good value. But already there's quite a lot here. There's the headphones, the charge case. We've got the wireless charging pad, so you can charge it via a cable or via the. You pop it down and it's like, you know, it's charging, it's going, it's charging, it's doing its thing. And you've got the interchangeable little flare, if you like. And I can't ever work out which way around it goes. But yeah, it's not a bad package, you know. It's good. All right, let's hope their headphones sound good, because I've said some positive things so far. They kind of have this weird rubber on them. All right, let's try them out. They look and feel all right. Alright, okay, so I've got them connected fairly stress-free, which is good. It's disappointing, honestly. I was almost there. I was almost in the club. You know, the rap club, charge club, cool little thing. Yeah, they didn't sound great. It's a shame. That's disappointing, honestly. Yeah, the drivers in them just don't sound like, the audio seems really unclear. It makes me actually go back to the Airbilly. Like, they sounded worse than these. And these are honestly not great looking, but I'd rather listen to these. I was pleasantly surprised with those. These disappointed me, actually. I was expecting a lot more based on the packaging, based on the concept. Man, they can't be that bad. Let me listen to them again. No, honestly, these Pamu Unique are unique in the fact that they are the first pair of headphones that I actively dislike. Everything else I've showcased on here sound reasonable at minimum. These sound bad. I love the case. the case is cool. The interchangeable, like, that's a cool idea. You can even maybe customize your own down the line. I don't know. That's a cool concept. The wireless charge pad, that's a cool concept. The lights and the speaker little case setup, that looks cool. But I put them in my ears and they sounded like trash. I hate to say it because they sent me these. It even comes with a leather pouch. You know? The value's there until it's not. That's disappointing. I'm sad. Don't buy them. Do not buy them.